Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 2. I stated in the video the gentleman was having problems turning off his grid. Well, I watched a video I made 7 years ago with like X8, and there's the way to turn your grids on and off right here. So I've got it, I stated in that video because it's been 7 years and I don't ever use it. So I've got Snap to document grid on now, and I can take a 2-point line and have it snap to that edge, and you could get perfect shapes or whatever you wanted to do. Now you can change the size of the grid. So if you go to Tools, Options, Corel Draw, and then go right here to Document, this is a little bit deceiving unless you read this. Grid lines per inch. So there's 4 grid lines per inch. That's going to be 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch. But if we do that, now look at it. Now there's 8 lines per inch. And we can kind of prove that with the parallel dimension tool. See, there's an inch and it's got 8 grids. I personally don't ever use it. But I could see the benefit to some people. You know, let's take a 2-point curve and you could have it snap right to there and then go right to that grid and have it bend that away. And, you know, there's a lot you could do with it. And then that way it would just keep going and you could just keep snapping to it. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.